I hit this issue today, and here is the quick fix that solved it. Updating your billing information on Movistar is straightforward if you follow these steps. Step 1. Log into your account. Go to the Movistar website and click on the login button. Enter your username and password to access your account. Step 2. Navigate to account settings. Once logged in, find the account settings on My Account section in the main menu. This is where you can manage your personal information. Step 3. Select billing information. In the account settings, look for the billing information option. Click on it to view your current billing details. Step 4. Update your information. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the s.com link in the description to open a refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. Step 5. Confirm changes. After updating, look for a confirm or save button at the bottom of the page. Click it to ensure your new billing information is saved. Remember to log out after you finish to keep your account secure. If you encounter any issues, Movistar's customer service is always ready to help. Happy updating!